Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 2720 flip, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off. And after it has, what you want to do is hold power key and volume up, so both of those keys. And when you see the KaiOS logo, you can let go. And we're now in the KaiOS recovery. So from here, using again volume keys to navigate, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with the power key. Then again select yes. You can see that it will begin wiping data or formatting. And this takes just a brief second. As you can see, it's already finished, so reboot system now should be selected by default, and all you need to do now is press power key once more, and this will reboot the device and also continue the process of resetting it in the background. So let's wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.